This pose can lengthen and open the side of your body, and also stretch the inner thigh of the extended leg. Start in a kneeling pose with your thighs vertical to the floor. Extend your left leg out to your side, rest your left hand on your left leg and reach your right arm overhead. Bend your upper body to your left and hold for a few seconds. Return and repeat. Exhale as you bend your upper body, and inhale as you return. Don't bend too far so that your breathing is inhibited. Keep your chest facing forward.